How to get presale code on Spotify, or how to get Spotify presale code. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you how to get Spotify presale code. Now, sometimes when artists book a tour, they team up with music streaming such as Spotify to offer exclusive presale code to their top fans. Now this code gives early access to tickets, allowing the most dedicated fans to get the best seats possible. Now if a show is likely to sell out fast, this will be the fastest way and the easiest way to ensure you get a ticket at a fair value. Now Spotify sends out these presale codes via their fan first emails. In addition to early access concert tickets, fans first emails often offer early or exclusive access to merchandise, special edition pre-orders, and more. Now, there are certain criteria, however, for determining the top fans. You'll need to be the top fans of the artist in order to get the presale code. If you open up Spotify, if you have enabled notifications as well, you can get the early access to it. However, if you have disabled the notification, if you head into the app and if you tap on the bell icon at the very top of the screen, you'll get very new notifications here. Now Spotify sends out, as I told you, via their emails. Now as long as you have Spotify news and offers notifications enabled on your account, you'll get all the emails on your Spotify, on your Gmail through Spotify. And you'll just need to have the following criteria. As I say, you need to have to follow the artist, and the second one is you'll need to be among the top fans of the artist according to Spotify's data. So best of all, you don't need to have Spotify Premium to get fans first emails. Spotify extends these benefits even to its free subscribers, so you don't need to worry if you don't have the premium. All you have to do is you'll have to make sure you have followed the artist and the artist is on your top list. So these are the ways you can get the Spotify fan first emails. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.